Hello guys, this video demonstrates the programming of an Arduino robot. In this video, I am going to tell you about how to program the motors of the Arduino robot. But before that, we have to make some important connection so the board can get ready for the program. So, the first thing we have to do is to connect the microcontroller chip of the Arduino with the L298 motor driver. It has 4 input pins and 2 enable pins, which should be connected with the microcontroller chip in order to program this controller chip. So I am connecting pin number 12 with the input 1 of the L298, pin number 9 with the input 2 pin, pin number 13 with input 3, pin number 8 with input 4. The enable pins of the L298 should be also connected with the microcontroller chip. So I am connecting pin number 11 with the first enable pin of the L298 and second enable pin with pin number 3 of microcontroller board. Now the next step is to connect the power supply. So I have connected 12 volts supply with the L298. The red LED glows tells us that the board is ready for the program. Now we have to program, so we need a USB cable so that we can connect this magician robot with the laptop. The one end of this cable goes in the port of laptop and the another goes in the USB port of microcontroller chip. Now the board is ready for. Now I am showing you the programming of the motors of the Arduino robot. The first thing which we have to do is to specify the pins. For that I am creating a function setup, and the prefix of which there is a void return. That means that it will give 0 value in return. Now I am specifying the pin number 12, 9, 13 and 8 as the output by writing pin mode 12 output, pin mode 9 output, pin mode 13 output, pin mode 8 output. So these pins will provide us the output for running the motors. The second thing which we need is a function or a loop. So I am writing a loop with the prefix void return with it. That means it is also giving the value 0 in return. Now for providing the output, we will have to provide digital signals. So we are writing digital write at 12 pin and providing it high, and digital write to the pin 9 and providing it low, and an analog input to the pin 3 so that the speed of the motor can be controlled. At this time it is at the peak speed, that is of 255. You can also modulate its speed by changing the values of the speed. By writing this function, we are giving first pin a high value, second pin 0. That means it is working in the combination of 1 0. So it will directly provide a 12 volt supply to the motor, and motor will start running. In this way I am programming one motor. In the similar way the second motor can also be programmed. Just writing the same, but the difference is that we are changing the pin numbers because that second motor is connected to the pin number 13 and 8, and its enable pin is 11. So in this way both the motors will move forward and they will provide a forward motion. For backward motion, we will give low to these pins. For providing right motion, we are giving high and low, and for providing left motion, we are providing them low and high. So in this way our motors will move in all the 4 directions. After writing the program, the next thing which we have to do is to compile it. This green bar running shows that the program is getting compiled. After compiling, upload this program by clicking on upload. And when the uploading is done, your board will be ready to move. Now, as we have programmed the motor, so they will show their motion according to that. So I am connecting power supply. We have programmed that it will first go forward, then backward, then rotate right, then rotate left. It is performing according to that.